Welcome back, my friends. I am bringing you another high-paying, non-phone, work-from-home job lead that is hiring right now. But before we get into all of the juicy details, I just want to ask that if you enjoy this job lead or find anything that I share helpful, please like, comment, share my videos, do all the things. That gives me direct feedback that I am being helpful to someone, and it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. I have been working remotely from home for about the last 12 to 15 years. As a single mom, it has really helped me be able to juggle everything that life throws at me and have that work-life balance. And I want to help everyone that I can do the same. But without wasting any more time, because today's job lead is very exciting. The company Evolve, they are a vacation rental company. They are hiring a listing proofreader. Now, this is remote within the United States only. They do have a few state restrictions. Currently, they cannot hire in California, DC, Hawaii, New Jersey, New Mexico, and Pennsylvania. But if you live in a state that is not one of those, they are looking for a specialist for their listing quality assurance to help make sure that their listings, their vacation rental listings that they're posted online, are consistent and accurate. The ideal candidate for this position will be great at proofreading text for errors, creating and applying any recommendations. So you will be proofreading all of the newly built property listings, including listing copy details and the photography or the photos of the property. You will have to proof up to 45 listings a day. They say the average review time for each listing is about 10 minutes. You'll be given a style guide and you'll have to apply guidance from that style guide and quality assurance and make sure that the recommendations for improvements and efficiencies. You'll track trends based on errors and inconsistencies across different listings. You'll be the expert on the listing style. Now, while this technically does not require a college degree, it says a bachelor's degree in English, marketing, or journalism is preferred, but it is not required. They do want someone who has 2 years of proofreading or professional editing experience, someone who has great attention to detail, who can be self-guided, work independently, highly organized, someone who has strong written communication skills, and then you need to know how to work with Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. And they are looking for someone who has the ability to work flexible hours up to 7 p.m. Mountain Time, as well as some weekends as needed to support the business needs. Now, it does pay very highly for a non-phone proofreading job. It pays $27.88 an hour. That's $1,115.20 a week for a 40-hour week. They also offer complete benefit package, including 401k with matches, insurance, and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.